Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from a place that we have not been in a while. We are at the Dollar General, and I was actually in the process of making a CVS video, and I opened up Instagram and saw this post by my girl Myra about this glitch on the Huggies, and I was like, oop, we're gonna have to pause CVS and we're gonna have to run over to DG and do this glitch. So let me tell you guys about what's going on. So I'm over in the $1 deal aisle. I want you guys to know where I am because you see this plethora of these travel size Huggies, where these Huggies are $1, of course. That's why they're in the $1 deal aisle. But we have a $2.50 off digital coupon that is attaching to these babies, giving us $1.50 in overage. So you just buy one, download the digital coupon that I have up on the screen. That will give you $1.50 in overage. Now you can add in anything. I think I'm going to do a 3 off of 15 deal to make this deal really good. So let me show you what I'm going to put together. So the first thing I'm going to grab is some of this Snuggle. I love this pink Snuggle, you guys. Have you guys tried this? It's a new scent. It smells so freaking good. So these are on sale 2 for $8, and we have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon. So I'm going to grab 2 of these babies. I'm going to do 2 separate transactions, I think. So I'm actually going to grab a total of 4, but they're going to be 2 for $8. We got a $4 off of 2 digital, so they will be 2 for $4. The next thing I'm grabbing that smells really good is these Gain Spring Daydream detergents. You can get any scent that you want. You just want to get the 70-ounce detergents. So these are $6.95, and we have a $2 digital coupon that'll make it just $4.95. All right, you guys, so this is my complete little deal that I'm going to do today to maximize this overage and my 3 off of 15 coupon. I don't know about you guys, but a lot of my accounts got 3 off of 15s this month. I think the Dollar General was missing us because my accounts are loaded up. So I'm going to run this deal a couple times. So my pre-coupon total before any digitals are applied is $15.95. So that's enough to get our $3 in savings. Then we're going to get that $4 off of 2 for the Snuggle. We're going to get the $2 off for the Gain and the $2.50 off for the Huggies. That's going to bring it down to just $4.45 for all 4 items, which I think is amazing. $4.45. So let's go up and try this deal and see how it works out, and then I'm gonna rinse and repeat. Oh, you guys, I see that these big bottles of Dawn are on sale. Y'all know if y'all watch my CVS videos that I've been trying to get back stocked up on Dawn. So I think I'm going to work out another deal to get some of this Dawn as well. Let me show you what I'm going to do. All right, you guys, so scratch that because I just noticed something. I was scanning this Dawn in the app and it's not pulling up for the sale price. And when I look a little closely at these tags, it does say 2 for $6 and it is marked on the 40-ounce bottles, but the size here says 20 ounce to 24 ounce. So I don't know if that's correct. I'm gonna try it and see what happens, and then I'll tell you guys about this deal if it works out. All right, you guys, so let me show you my transactions. First off, the Huggies is a go, so definitely make a move on that because I'm not sure how long it's gonna be working. Y'all know how fast they pull these digitals. Even if you can't make it to the store right now, definitely load the digital coupon to your account. So let me show you an up close of my receipt for the first transaction. So here is the Snuggle. There is the let's talk about the Dawn. So the Dawn is priced incorrectly, but what's funny about it is the tag is a corporate tag, so it looks like a corporate error versus a store error, because when you look up closely, that is the right tag that's supposed to be there on the product, but it's just the wrong price. So those did ring up for $5, but they changed the price because it is tagged that way. So after all of my digital coupons, the overage from that Huggies, as you can see, it did deduct $2.50. I used a $1 paper coupon on one bottle of the Dawn, and then I used the digital coupon on the other bottle of the Dawn. This is $15 worth of products. That brought my subtotal down. Let me zoom in to $3.50. So $3.50 for this transaction with a total savings of $11.50, which is great to me because just the 2 bottles of Dawn are $5 a piece. Then let me show you my receipt for the first transaction that I did. That worked out just how we planned it. There's the 2 Snuggle, there's the Gain, there's the Huggies, all digital, so you don't need any paper coupons to make this happen. that comes out to $4.45. So if you want to just go grab you some cheap laundry products, your laundry is going to be smelling good with this combo, y'all, I promise you, then you can grab this right now. Go on ahead and get to the store and get these 4 items for $4.45. That's like grabbing these for $1 a piece, which I think is amazing. All right, you guys, so this is my complete haul for this evening. I just went and ran it one more time, grabbed some more of the pink snuggle, and this time I got a Gain fabric softener, did the same exact deal, all digital. Here is the receipt, comes up to $4.45, and then I also used the overage to get me a Sprite in the second transaction. Just let that pay for my drink because it's hot out here and I am thirsty. But this is it, you guys. You guys run to the store, go and get this deal because they could cancel it at any time. Y'all know how glitches work, but this is free money that you can use to get whatever you want in the store. You do not have to do the deals that I did today. You can do whatever you would like to do, but just grab whatever you need with the free money. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would love to have you here. I thank you all so much for watching, and as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.